Hi everybody, thank you for joining Craf-T-Mom. Here I have a Honey Bee Shop subscription, the Babe Box. This is my second time receiving it. The first one was the pastel box. I was so excited about that I totally forgot to videotape it. But this one, I definitely want to share it with you guys. So let's just dive in. Now, before we start, I just want to tell you guys, you might hear some background noise. It will be my toddler and my neighbor's dog, so don't be, and probably my desk. I have a secretarial desk, and it sometimes makes a little bit of noise if I lean on it. Okay, so the first thing that I want to show you guys out of this box is the washi. Isn't that beautiful? I hope that's focusing. I know the glare is going to be a little bit too much, but there isn't much I can do about the glare. So she included 2 washi tapes. One will be what, I forgot the millimeters right now. I learned all the millimeters and everything when I first started planning, and I joined Simply Gilded, but right now they can't, they don't come to mind. 15 millimeter is the biggest, and 10 millimeter is the small one. So she included a 15 and a 10. The next item in the Babe box, I'm trying to show you guys all the pretty little, is the keychain or planner charm. Isn't that cute? I want to buy the Simply Gilded wallet and attach it right onto it. It will be so cute. The lilac one, the purple one, light purple, whatever you guys call it. I call it lilac. That keychain is very cute, little seashell. All right. The next item is this beautiful like planner bag where you can store your items, or a makeup bag. It'll make a great makeup bag. I was trying to fluff it out, but I can't do it that much. But I'm loving this glitter. Look at that holographic glitter. Oh my goodness, isn't that pretty? This is so pretty. It's like loaded with glitter. I love it a lot. Check this out. Just popped in my head. Let's put this on the bag. Look at that. Tell me you're not obsessed with that. That is so cute. Wow. And we could put all of our things inside the bag. Except, of course, for the craft paper, the cardstock. But everything else fits. I don't think this will fit. Let's see. Uh-oh. It fits with the little edges. Oh, no, it fits. If you don't want your little edges to like bend in, you probably wouldn't want to put that in there. Anyway, that's the bag. I really love it. That's cute. And this is the sticker book. Everything that's there is inside the book, and we are going to open it. If I can get it out. And I was really looking forward to this sticker book because it has the full boxes, which I use a lot in my spreads. Her artwork is so beautiful. Sorry you guys, I hadn't noticed that my camera died, so let's go back to the page that we were at. And it was this page. I was mentioning how her art is so beautiful. And here we have one with like a washi strip, your quarter boxes. I don't know what these little boxes will be. Maybe she made them for the Hobonichi. A full box, checklist, more boxes. These are cute. Date headers, to-do headers. This week, what are these called? Trackers. Yeah, trackers. I wanted to say tracking. I don't know why. Functional stickers. And they have silver foil. Hydration trackers. This is so beautiful. My idea for this one, and here goes my desk. I'm about to put weight on it. You guys hear that? Okay, my idea for this one is making, using a clear acetate with no, or you can also use it with one that has already something printed on it. But if you were to use that one with something printed on it or not, this will be very cute on the bottom right corner as a dashboard for a traveler's notebook or a ring by planner. It's very cute. Here's more deco. Look at this lighthouse. Isn't that cute? I love this one. I love this book. The last book didn't have a lot of full boxes, but this is gonna go well with it. It's perfect. Okay, the next item would be the die cuts, which are stickers, vinyl stickers as well. So let's open that up and let's toss some of these babies out. I'm not going to go through each and every one of them, but I am going to show you guys the ones that jump out. A mermaid or a scale heart, a stingray. Ooh, look at this one. A jellyfish. There goes the dog. A heart with a rose. Let's put these down. A seashell. Oh, look at this one. This one is beautiful. Seahorse. And absolutely many, many, many more. You guys get the idea. It's cuteness overload. That's the idea. You won't be disappointed if you were to get her box. I mean, it's full of goodies. Let me put this over here and not take up a lot of time. Now let's look at the journaling cards. Mermaid. And can I point out how shapely the mermaid is? It's not one of those mermaids that don't look like a lot of people. I love the artwork. I can't say that enough. Look at the little holographic there. It's very nice. And look at this one. This one says, "She is tossed by the waves but does not sink." Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Do you guys see that? Let's look at the back. Wow. And this is one of my favorite parts of this box. It's a washi card, a washi cutter. Look. I was so excited to see this. I'm like, I've been wanting to buy one. I mean, I have washi cards. I actually like am obsessed with washi cards, but I don't have an acrylic one. That's so cute. Okay, now let's look at the paper. Paper, vellum, and acetate. Let's start with the paper. Lipstick, lighthouse, hearts, roses, some mermaid tail scales, some hearts. Look at this one. This one has a bit of everything. I think I have it upside down. Starfish. Look at this vellum. Look how pretty that is. And the paper is like a ombre. Now this is my favorite part. I went crazy when I first saw this. Look how pretty. Oh my God, and it's on both sides. You know how sometimes one side is one color and the other side is a different color? What? It's beautiful. Look at it. I can't wait to put this in my planner. And that's it for this planner. She usually does include, well, at least the last one that I received, the last box, she included a journaling card with a list, with the list of items that were in her box, but I didn't see one this time. A journaling card like this. So we did get 2 journaling cards, so that's normal, or that's to be expected, I think. Since this is my second box, I'm still not sure what she usually includes. But I do hope you guys enjoyed. The box as much as I did. Please comment, like, subscribe, and if you like, hit that notification bell, and you'll get to see more goodies like these, because I subscribe to a number of boxes. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Thank you.